Hi, I'm Ray. Well, it's Sunday, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and it's raining. So we say to leave a job for a rainy day. Well, I've left this job for a rainy day and we've actually got Storm, and it's Storm Ashley. And I can't believe that during October this is the first UK storm to get a name, Storm Ashley. So they predicted winds of up to 80 miles an hour. So one of those jobs today is to come down the allotment. I'm still in a bid to keep my allotment plot. So I've come down and we're going to do some stuff in the Polytunnel. So let me show you what we're going to do. So this is my first job. I'm going to clean this bed. It's absolutely chucking it down now. I'm going to get this clear. Hopefully it passes by. So that's the first job done. I managed to take out all these weeds, work my way down. I've moved the old chair out the way. I'm just clearing all this area now. Got to clear back round the desk. And I found this bit of old carpet. So I'm laying this on the other bed just to keep the weeds down while I get round to doing that. So that's quite handy. So I'm just giving the garlic and the onions a hoe. I can see a critter come into the tunnel. So I'm just giving these a bit of a hoe. Some of the garlic has already been shooting, and the onions as well. So next we're going to plant our broad beans. These are Aqua Dulce Claudia. We started these around 2 weeks and they're growing quite good already. So I'm going to put these in the polytunnel and we can have a really early crop of broad beans. So just using the same sow tray. There we go. And adding the boiled beans. These are going to stay in the polytunnel this time. There we go, one more. And then we're going to cover. Give it a water. There we go. That's the next crop of boiled beans on the way. Don't mind tidying up. Mushroom. So we managed to clear this bed on the left. And we've been having a tidy on the right. Still raining. I've also put a water butt on a water butt plinth. So that's for another project. So watch out for that.